important, which is me and my life, was the thing that seems to hide the imperishable. But it just seems, well, how can it be? Like, to common sense, because you seem so real. Not for everyone. There's some people who knew something, but this my ego, my mind, is not true. It's not. I want to get rid of it. They are smart enough to know that they are molested by their mind. But this molestation is itself the incentive for freedom. It is itself the motivation for freedom. And the motivation must be there. The urge, the desire must be there to trigger grace into functioning. It has to be there. Like your whole being is being taken over by not knowing, by non-knowingness. To hear it as words is not enough. It feels, oh my God. But to feel it inside yourself and your being, you feel the most fortunate being in the whole world. You feel the most fortunate. Because right then you know that your mind is not true. It continues somehow to create little distractions, little stupidities for a while. You cannot just snap your finger and it disappears. Because it has to be clear internally what you are. And for a while you're not clear. Sometimes you just go back to thinking you're the person. And then somehow something slips out of this and then you realize, but there's nobody here. And your highest joy comes up. And when the highest joy manifests, you say, but how can anybody be a person? It's so completely stupid. Who would want a mind like that? And you're in again. And then it just feels like, oh, I don't know, it doesn't work, I tried everything, nothing is working, and you're out again. What was that? What was that? I never ever. You start to make promises you cannot keep. Never, never, ever, ever touch the mind again. Who would want it? I'm about to lose everything. My family doesn't like me. They think I'm crazy. Who is speaking like this? I don't feel for that question right now. Who is having these thoughts? Oh, I don't come with this advice stuff. Man. I've tried it, man. It works for a bit, but it doesn't stay. It goes away. Oh, thank you. Thank you. The mind seems so powerful, but I see it's nothing. It's nothing. It never existed. Okay, I have you on record for saying this. Yeah, put me on record, Can this fade? Can this fade? No, what? How can it fade? How can space fade? That's such a foolish thing. I'm never going to get this, man. Please help me to stay there all the time, Mooji. To stay there all the time. Who is speaking? My mind, man. But I can't stop at this feeling. If you're watching the mind or not. Yeah, but it's not working now. Who is watching this oscillation left and right? Yeah, I am watching it. Are you oscillating? Thank you. How long it will go on for?